Hey guys, okay, so welcome back to my channel. Today is not such a great day. I went out into my backyard and I found my dog chewing on my chicken, which just broke my heart so bad. Like, they've never done anything to my chickens, and I've had them for like 6 months. So I don't know what got into him today. So she's still alive. I didn't put her down because she's still standing. She's holding her neck up so her neck isn't broken. But I went to PetSmart because the Southern Ag that's by my house is not open, and they close like on 5 on a Sunday. And it's all like 7 o'clock. But anyway, okay, so I kind of did what I could. So I got this powder to help like stop like if she's bleeding, which she was earlier. I don't know if she is now. But then I also did Vitadrops for parakeets, which it's a bird. Anyway, I put it in there. I am going to put her in a warm bath though. I did call my vet and I did ask her. Thank goodness. I love her. Mary Scott. With Range Acres. What? Anyway, I love her. Like, she's taken care of my dogs for like 13 years. Anyway, so I love her and I trust her, and so she told me to just take my chicken and just dip her in the water. I know you can't see my hands, but dip her in the water, but don't let the water run. Just kind of put her in there. She said the trick is to just keep her warm. So she said as long as I can keep her warm, then I should be good. I also got her like a small kennel. So I could put her in, I could wrap her blankets and kind of keep it more warm. And I'm just going to keep the noise level down to a minimum as well. Because that could stress her out too. So I've been like listening to classical music. I don't know if it actually helps, but it makes me feel better. But anyway, so I thought I would just show you this process because I'm new to this process and I've never had chickens before. I don't know what else to do. So we're gonna just try and see, and I think that if I can get her through the night, I think I'll be good to go. I think that's just the trick, but I wanted to bring you with me because this could be funny, me trying to give my chicken a bath. By the way, I'm doing really good not to like show blood and stuff. She does have like one little puncture, but you really have to look for it, and if you don't know where it's at, then you're not gonna see it. And I won't show anything like that on the camera, just because I know it bothers some people. Bothers me. I don't like seeing my babies hurting. Anyway, okay. It's warm water, okay? You're welcome. Hey, hey, hey. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl. So the part that she got hurt on is this side of her neck. You can kind of see a little bit. But she's still moving, so I'm gonna just kind of watch her. She looks more alert than she was earlier. But I got her that small kennel. I'm gonna put some of that stuff on her neck.
Oh, he got her beak.
No, he didn't. No, that's just how it is. You like that warm water, girl? Yeah. You're gonna be alright, aren't ya?
Winston's like the house is gone to the chickens.
Alright, girl. I think
Oh,
you're good.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, like she's... Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Girl, chill. Chill. I'm so sorry, girl. I know, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, girl. Alright, so, as you can kind of tell, on this side, She got pretty beaten up there. Trying not to let her see the dogs. But, oh. So she's not bleeding anymore. So I think I'm not going to put that stuff on her. Just because I don't think I need to. But I'm just going to hold her and comfort her and see what I can do and give her a bottle if she'll drink it. Oh, you missed it. She actually did act like she was drinking it. There you go. Anyway, hopefully you got that on camera. So, I I cut off that tip a little bit. Can't tell. But, I'm just kind of putting it up to her mouth. And I'm going to just kind of keep doing that throughout the night. I'm going to hold her, keep her warm. So yeah, so if I can just get through tonight, I think that we'll do pretty good. But this first night, it's going to be a little crazy. But anyway, all right. So I'll do a follow-up tomorrow, and whenever we get up, and I'll see if she's still alive. But anyway. Sorry, it's not very peppy, not very good, but it's life, I guess. But make more chicken. We're gonna make do. But anyway, alright, see you tomorrow. So this is like the Devin that's editing like months later. So I wanted to do a follow-up on my chicken Karen. So I can't find the video that I did the next day, but I did end up keeping her in that kennel for 2 days. It might have been even 3 days. So I pretty much just kind of kept her in there, kept her warm. And then I slowly started letting her back out again. She ended up doing really well. I held her most of that night anyway, just because my vet was like, you gotta just keep her warm. And she was pretty free range in the backyard, so she didn't really have a place to go. She has a place, but anyway. So it took about a week before I really felt comfortable enough with her being out and about. But I ended up having some really funny clips of her a couple of months ago, actually. Of her doing a dust bath, and it was the first time I ever seen her do it, and it cracked me up. And so I was going to show you a couple of clips of that real quick. I tell you, when she does this, it freaks me out. I always think that she's like dying or something. See if I can get a good picture of what she is doing. So if you look, she's putting dirt between her feathers. So this is what they call a dirt bath. They do it to help with mites. Totally normal. This is what they do. It's so cool how they can do that. Isn't that adorable? I think she likes it. So that last clip of her standing on that roost, I was building her a chicken coop, and she stayed with me the entire time that I built that chicken coop. And I have tons of videos of her like in there. Like every time I would dig, she would dig a hole, or she would be right there trying to eat the worms, or she was on the ledges. And so anyway, that was part of that last clip. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so thankful that Karen is still alive and she's thriving. I've gotten more chickens since then. She hasn't quite been accepted into the group, but she's stubborn as all get out. And so she has definitely made her presence well known. But anyway, more videos coming out of all my chickens. I'm super excited about it. But, alright. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.